If you have ever opened Adobe Illustrator only to be met with a frustrating error message regarding the DxfDwgFileFormat.aip or DxfDwg.aip plugin, you are not alone. This specific error message indicates that a core component required for importing and exporting AutoCAD files is either missing, corrupted, or incompatible with your current operating system configuration. The problem is that because this is a core system plugin rather than an optional add-on, a standard reinstallation of Illustrator often fails because it leaves behind corrupted registry entries or residual configuration files. In this video, I will walk you through the most effective ways to resolve this issue and get your workflow back on track. If these steps help you resolve the error, please take a moment to hit that like and subscribe button to support the channel. Let's dive straight into the solution. The first and most reliable method is a clean reinstallation. Begin by opening your Creative Cloud desktop application and uninstalling your current version of Illustrator. Do not skip this, but understand that the uninstall itself is not enough. You need to download and run the official Adobe Creative Cloud Cleaner tool. This tool is designed to wipe those stubborn remaining files and registry fragments that trigger the error during a fresh installation. Once the tool finishes its process, restart your computer immediately. This step is critical to ensure that any remaining zombie processes are completely cleared from your system memory. After the restart, go back into your Creative Cloud app and download a fresh installation of Illustrator. Often, this is all you need to restore the missing or broken file. If you are a Windows user and the error persists, the issue might actually lie with your system framework rather than Illustrator itself. This plugin frequently fails to load if your Microsoft Visual C++ runtime libraries are corrupted. To fix this, open your Windows control panel and navigate to Programs and Features. Scroll through the list until you find the Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable packages, specifically the 2015 to 2022 versions. Right-click on it, select Change, and then choose the Repair option. Once the repair utility completes, restart your PC once more and attempt to launch Illustrator. Taking these proactive steps ensures that your environment is healthy and ready to run. I really hope this guide helped you fix that persistent plugin loading error. If you found this video useful, please hit the like button and subscribe for more technical troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next tutorial.